Should I use a DS-5504 or DS-11 for a passport data correction? My name is Valeria and I work on the onboarding team here at HelloGov. If you notice a printing error on your passport, like a misspelled name or an incorrect date of birth, there is a way to fix it. The form you use mostly depends on when your passport was issued. If it was issued less than a year ago, you'll typically use a form DS-5504 to request a correction. If it's been more than a year, you might need to submit a DS-11 instead. The issue date is really the key detail here. If you're not sure which form applies, our application process is designed to route you to the correct forms without having to figure this out yourself.